Hello, welcome to Convoy Cars. Today we are taking a look at this beautiful 2011 Hyundai Verna Fludic 1.6 CRDI. That's diesel, single hand driven, original 55,900 kilometers done, owned by an NRI in immaculate condition. Just buy and drive. All four tires have been replaced about 10,000 kilometers back. The car is in all original paint. There are no touch-ups or repaint jobs done on the vehicle. This is SX variant, comes with airbags, front two airbags, ABS, alloy wheels, automatic climate control, factory fitted music system with Bluetooth, AUX, USB and iPod. Comes with steering mounted audio controls, factory fitted leather seats, keyless entry, electrically adjustable ORVM, this is the exterior walk around. As you can see, the car is absolutely brilliant and stunning to look at. Both the tail lamps have been replaced recently, so they are fresh, as good as new. There's a minor dent on the front driver side door. Other than that, there are no dents on the car. So this is how the exterior of the car is. The front bumper has got a minor scratch under the fog lamp. The headlamps are all clear. No dust, no damage, no moisture. The grille is original. The front bumper is original. There's one more scratch above at the right side fog lamp. Right for me, left from the car. So this is how the car looks. We will now take you inside the cabin. This is how the dashboard looks like. This is the steering wheel with controls on him. That's the door trim, nice beige and a wooden finish door trim. That's the rear seating. This is how the dashboard looks like from the rear seat. The roof lining is all original. An authentic 55,000 kilometers done diesel sedan of 2011, single owner, insurance valid till August 2022. You have just one opportunity to go for a car like this. This is the factory fitted music system. This is the power button for it. These are the automatic climate control buttons. When you press auto, the air conditioning turns on automatically. This is the key fob, the flip key. We'll now insert the key into the keyhole. Turned on the ignition. This is your dial pad. So that's 56,020 kilometers done. Absolutely zero malfunctions on the vehicle. In spite of being a diesel car, it's quite silent. The AC is turned on. These are the steering mounted audio controls. This is the mute button. This is the volume up and down button. This is the phone controls. Receive and reject the calls. This is to switch channels or the tracks. This is the repeat button. This is the gear knob, sorry. So there's a button here under the gear lever. When you press it and take it to the first position, the car gets into reverse. This is the rear parking camera, which is not clearly visible due to the sunlight. Hope you can see that now a little better. We will now take you for a spin. I'll try holding the phone straight, which is a little difficult, but I'll do that. It's a 1.6 CRDI diesel, 6-speed gearbox plus reverse. The car is driving absolutely flawless. The turbo kicks in as soon as you press the throttle. There's no lag. All electrical features are working perfect. Drives about 14 to 15 kilometers per liter in city, about 17 to 18 kilometers on highways. The suspension quality is beyond excellent. It's as good as brand new. There's no noise at all in the cabin. There are no jerks felt on the road. And the car drives absolutely quick and fast. You can see it in Nerul, Navi, Mumbai, sector 19, plot number 37, Kanheri CHS. My name is Abhishek Joshi. You can reach me on 9768 001 006. The number is also available on WhatsApp. You can also WhatsApp me if required for the address and location. Do come for a test drive. In case you're looking for a diesel sedan, do not miss this car. I once again say, do not miss this car. There's no other Hyundai Verna Fludic with these specs, with these kilometers, with this kind of condition available currently in the market of Mumbai. That's a challenge. Thanks for watching this. Bye-bye.